Hold up.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about what I received in the mail from Influenster. I received 2 boxes and I thought I'd kill 2 birds with 1 stone in this video, but I'm going to be focusing it more on the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel box that I got. But I thought, why not just go ahead and show the Ole Henriksen box as well. I forgot to mention to you guys, I received these boxes, or I've been receiving boxes in the mail from Influenster for a review, so I didn't purchase any of these. If you guys would like to learn more about how to receive these boxes yourself, they will be in the description box below, and I will put a link so it will take you directly to the website. Starting off with this one, I'll show you guys what I got. Once you open it up, it's these colorful colors. It has yellow tissue paper, and it comes with a lemon eye mask and a banana bright eye cream, and it looks like this. Well, that's just the box, and then this one is the actual cream. I wanted to show you guys how it looks and all that stuff because I actually opened it already and I smelt it and everything. So it comes with a little protector right here. Let's see if I could open it with my nails. So once you open it up, it actually looks like crushed or like squished bananas. It doesn't have like a strong chemically smell to it. It doesn't smell like straight up bananas, but you can tell it smells fruity. Let's just go ahead and feel it. And it's very creamy. And I haven't tried it yet because I've never tried eye creams before, but I will soon, and I'll let you guys know how it is. I'm going to be reading it straight from the paper that I received. This is a Banana Bright Eye Cream. It is inspired by makeup artist's secret banana powder. It has vitamin C, collagen, and banana powder brightening pigments. They have some statistics here that it is 100% agree that it instantly brightens the eye area. 95% agree this eye cream keeps their makeup looking fresh all day. And it is clinically tested to reduce fine lines and wrinkles by 40%. Right over here, if you can't see, it says wake up before you make up. So I'm pretty sure you put it on right before you put on your makeup so that it reduces fine lines like it says. I'm not going to do it in this video today because like I said, I'm going to focus it more on the Maybelline Tattoo brow gel stuff, and I already did all my makeup already. Now moving on to the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. Once you open it up, oops, comes with a flyer like always. This box is specifically for the new Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. Like I said, it lasts up to 2-day wear and available in 4 different shades. Influencer actually already knew my shade because I put it in my profile or like my information. They sent me a deep brown precise brow pencil and the Tattoo Studio in dark brown. Is this one called dark brown or deep brown? In deep brown as well. Even though this box was about the brow gel, they sent me a precisely brow pencil as well to help me get the brows that I want. Again, I'll be reading it right off of the flyer that I received in the box. It claims it is a unique formula that is waterproof, it does not smudge or transfer, and lasts for days. So right here it comes with the sculpting tip, the container that contains the gel, and the grooming spoolie. It also shows the tips on how to apply it. As you can tell, I do not have my eyebrows done today just because of the video purpose of me trying this out. Like I said, I do have my full face on, just not my brows. So we're going to be going ahead and trying this. I think what I'm going to do is use this at the tip of my eyebrow so that I can create like a shape or like a tail since I don't have much of a tail. And then with this, I will be going ahead and filling it in. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. I've never used a gel kind before. Usually I just go in with an eyebrow brush that looks like this, pretty simple. And I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Yeah, what a mouthful. I've used many pencils before, but I haven't used this specific Maybelline one. Back then, I used the e.l.f. pencil. Here's the spoolie, and here is the container that comes with the gel. Here's the pencil. Comes with the pencil on one end, and you don't have to sharpen it. It's like the retractable ones, pretty micro. And here is the spoolie at the end. So it's like a 2-in-1, save space in your makeup bag or in your purse. So, I'm scared to do this. I'm going to be looking over here because that's where I have my mirror. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like it. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm just going to outline it or draw a shape first. I actually have my eyebrows microbladed, but I have not gone in for a year. That's why it kind of looks patchy. It's so hard to talk and do makeup at the same time.
Shit, I still have homework.
I'm gonna try not to go or fill in a lot right here because that's where I want to try the gel. But I went in and did a shape. I'm missing a lot of hair right here, so I'm gonna try to make some hair-like strokes. Now going in with the Tattoo Studio gel. Okay, let's do this lightly. We don't want to mess it up. Going in lightly, putting it in right between where I created the shape. So in the front, we'll go very lightly in. So I think that's enough product that it needs. Next step, I'll go in with the spoolie that I got and just spread the product out very lightly in the front so the eyebrows don't look too harsh, and it actually looks really nice. What? I really love how it looks in the front because it doesn't look too harsh. Go back in and define the shape that I like. I really like how the eyebrows turned out. Usually I make my eyebrows a lot thicker than this, but it's because now I know I use the pomade. I'm not going to do this side on camera just because I don't want the video to be too long. So I just want to show you guys one side of my eyebrow and I'll be right back with the other. I just went in and did the second eyebrow. Hopefully they look like sisters and not cousins or like, you know, enemies. To do these eyebrows, it actually took faster than how I usually do them with my pomade. And mind you, I used 2 products to achieve these brows. Everyone does their eyebrows differently, so I don't want you guys to judge me in the comments saying, oh my gosh, your eyebrows doesn't even look good. Why are you trying to show people how to do eyebrows when it doesn't even look good? Or like, your eyebrows are too thin. This is how I like them, okay? If you don't like it, then don't watch it. Am I daddy of you? I even have the t-shirt. Now I'll zoom you guys in for a close-up on my eyebrows. So these are how my eyebrows look. Overall, I really like them. They make my eyebrows look really good, and it's easy to apply and it's fast. Like I said, usually I use the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia, and that one takes me longer and it comes out much thicker than I want it to. These two are going to be my go-to eyebrows now. I am no longer going to spend, how much is a dip brow? I don't even know. I buy them and I don't even know how much they are. I have to say, since it is a gel, it does give your eyebrows like a little texture, but that only means that it's working. It just keeps your eyebrows in place. I actually forgot. It says this lasts for 2 days, so I'll see tonight once I take off these brow products if it leaves like a tint or anything like that. If not, I'm fine with it. I can just use them just to get temporary brows. Anyways guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching throughout the video to see how I do my brows and what I got in those 2 boxes. Like I said, if you guys want to receive boxes as well, it's going to be in the description box below because I got you. I got you. I know you want free stuff, okay? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below of what you guys want to see next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Bye!